Hi, welcome to another tutorial from How To's. Today we will be using the Shopback app. So what is Shopback? Shopback is a cashback app that enables you to have cashback whenever you purchase something through the Shopback app. So there are over 500 cashback which you can receive when you use Shopback. So the first step to enable Shopback is to install the app. You can use the link on our description to install the app. So the installations and the sign-up process is pretty straightforward. You will need to enter your personal information and end the sign-up process with a tag request. After installing and signing up, you can start using the Shopback app. So this is the main interface of the Shopback app. All cashback application which is supported is listed on the Cashback app. You can also explore by categories or by the search on the top of the app. So today we are going to use Shopback with Shopee so we can earn some cashback from our Shopee purchase. We will begin by using the search Shopback function. Click on search and type in the Shopee keyword. Shopback will then display the amount of cashback that we will receive from Shopee. Click on Shopee mobile app to proceed. Cashback will then load the Shopee mobile app. Do make sure that you have the Shopee mobile app installed. You will need to use all app-based for this purchase, as Cashback only supports app-based purchase. Once you have read the terms and conditions, click on Continue to App. Make sure you are opening Shopee from Shopback, as this will track the cashback referral. Okay, once you are at Shopee, you can start your purchase in the Shopee app. All the purchase on the Shopee will be tracked by Cashback from this point onwards. So I would proceed by buying a product from Shopee. Proceed with the checkout process and the payment process as you normally would in Shopee. After the payment has been completed, we will go back to the Shopback app to check our cashback process. The cashback may be processed immediately, or it may take a few hours to process the cashback, depending on what vendor you are using for the cashback. So as you can see, there are no cashback yet for this process. Okay, after a few hours, we have finally received the cashback from our Shopee purchase. Now do take in mind that we cannot directly withdraw this cashback yet, so we will need to refer to the terms and conditions of the cashback. So you can only withdraw once you have a minimum 10 ringgit of confirmed cashback, excluding bonuses. So you will need to satisfy the terms and conditions before you are able to withdraw any cashback from Shopback. Do give us a like and hit the subscribe button if the video has been informational to you. Thank you and have a nice day.